Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how Dijkstra's algorithm works, and we are going to see what happens at each and every single step or iteration. So what does Dijkstra's algorithm do? Dijkstra's algorithm helps us find out the shortest the path containing shortest distance to each and every single node from a starting node in any given connected graph. So this is the starting node we have assumed of this graph we have taken in an example. So, and these are the weights or the distances of each edge. So what do we do in it? We take two arrays. Let visited be an array and distance be an array. Visited array contains the visited status of all nodes v1 through v6. So 0 indicates unvisited status and 1 indicates visited status. Now, what does distance show? Distance shows us the distance from the starting node to each and every single node. We know that v1, the distance from v1 to itself is 0, so we are taking it 0, and rest of them we are taking it as infinity initially. So this is the initialization. Now, what does the rule says? Before we move to first step, the rule says select from the unvisited nodes the node which is having the shortest distance. So among these nodes, all nodes are unvisited and the shortest one distance is this. So v1 we select. Let us select v1 and mark the status z1. So the status of visited status is 1. So it is visited now. Now what does the rule says? After you visit a node, you look adjacent, and if those adjacent any of them are unvisited, so both of them are unvisited, you calculate the distance from the initial node through this node that you are visiting, and you update them if they are minimum in the distance array. So we are calculating it. This is 8, this is 5. It was initially infinity in v2 and v6, so we are updating it because it is minimum and we have to keep minimum in distance array. So this is 8 and 5. Now our job has been done in this step. Before we move to the next step, we have to select the from the unvisited nodes the shortest distance. This is 5. Let us visit v6. V6 we have visited. Mark the status as 1. Now after standing at v6, I will look at all the adjacent unvisited nodes. So I will look at v2, v3 and v5. If I look at v2, this is from v1 through v6, the distance is 7 plus 5, 12, but it is already 8, so I reject that. I have to keep minimum here. Let us look at v3. This is 5 plus 6, 11. It is 11. Initially it was infinity, so I update it. Let us look at v5. 17 plus 5 is 22. Let us keep 22 here because it is minimum as compared to the initial state, which was infinite. Now our job has been done. We have marked it as visited. Now before we move to the next step, we have to see which one is the shortest among the unvisited. It is 8, v2. Let us go and visit it. We have visited v2. After visiting v2, I will look adjacent. I find only one unvisited node, which is v3. So I calculate the distance from v1 through v2 to v3, and this is 8 plus 13 and it is 21. And if I go there, I will find 11 is already there, which is smaller. I have to keep minimum, so I reject that. I have marked the status as 1 already for v2. Now before I move to the next step, I have to find out the shortest among the unvisited, which is v3. So let us go and mark the status of v3 as 1. We have visited v3. Now after we have visited v3 distance was 11, so we are visiting v3 from this side. 5 plus 6 is 11, so we are visiting from here, not from there, because it will be 8 plus 13 is 21, so that will be larger. It is already there 11 now, so we are going to visit this way. So v3 has been visited. We have marked it. After I stand here and I look adjacent to me, I will find out that the distance from v3, if I look at v4, it will be 5 plus 6 plus 2, 11 plus 3 13, so it will be 13. Initially v4 was infinite, so I updated. If I look at v5, the distance will be of v5, the distance will be 51 plus 6 plus 5 is 62, but it is already 22, so I don't need to update it. Now let's go to the next step, and for that the minimum among unvisited is 13. Let us go and visit v4. So this is from the previous step. v4 we have been visited. v4 marked status 1. After I stand at v4, unvisited node is this v5. Let us calculate the distance, and the distance I calculate is 5, 6, 2 and 3. It will be 16. Initially it was 22. I have to reject it and I have to add the minimum over there. Now for the next step, I don't have any choice. I am going to visit v5. So I visit v5, mark the status as 1, and there is nothing. After I stand over there, there is nothing unvisited. Each and every single node has been visited. I just come out of the loop, and my graph, the Dijkstra algorithm has done what it wanted to do. Our job is done. So if I want to express it in words, how would I say? I would say start from the initial node and visit update. Do both of them. Shortest distance nodes until all the nodes are visited. So from the starting node, we are visiting all the nodes and updating the shortest distances over there from this initial node. So this is how it works. Next time I will try to make a video as soon as possible on the coding part, how to implement it. It's a very important question for industry purposes. We are using it in many places and from interview point of view. Thanks a lot.